This video is for anybody whose center console 12 volt went out. So here I got all this stuff in here. Hold on, let me get all this stuff out of the way. So if your your center console 12 volt lost power, which mine did like a day or two ago, you can see the light glowing. Obviously it has power again now. So I blew the fuse because I tried to connect my heat gun and put it to max power. Don't ask me why. But yeah, I blew the fuse in here, and I'm gonna show y'all where the fuse is at and how to replace it. All right. First thing you're gonna do, yeah, go to AutoZone. Go get you some more fuses. You're gonna need a 20A fuse. The original one looked like this. The A just stands for amp, but yeah, you're gonna get you a 20 amp fuse. This is the one that blew right here. And once you get that, you can get one of these. You really don't need one. It's just a fuse puller, because it comes with a fuse puller in this right here. I forgot to put it back. So yeah, so on this it tells you where everything is at. Let me see, yeah. So right here, the fuse that blew was 38. As you can see, 38 is right there. F38, fuse 38. It's got a glare on it. But yeah, anyway, it's gonna be the top one. I'm gonna show y'all where it's at. So you just pull the trunk flap up, and it's this fuse that's right there, the top one. You just use the fuse pullers, pull it out, put a new one in there, and then you should be good to go. And that's if you got a Dodge Charger 2023.